The message from Bradford was clear. US bombs dropping on Pakistan must end. The British support for this tragic mission must stop before more innocent men, women and children are killed. Though Pakistan was the focus, assassination drone attacks from unmanned aircrafts was becoming more commonplace.
These bombs are falling now on Pakistan, on Somalia, on Yemen. The Israelis are using them against the Palestinians. Before long, these weapons will spread throughout the world as the ultimate coward's weapon, but a weapon of massive destruction.
There is growing anger at this meeting at what they say is the United Kingdom's complicity in the drone attacks. Places like Pakistan have seen their citizens, their residents, suffer thousands of deaths and hundreds of thousands of men, women and children permanently scarred. Yvonne Ridley, who will be leading a group of women to Waziristan later this year to show solidarity to those who have suffered at the hands of drone attacks. She believes there are unanswered questions about Britain's hand in this.
Well, this is something that we'd like to know, and something that I've urged people to ask their local MP, George Galloway, get him to find out and find out the full role of British involvement in the drone attacks. There is some, but it's veiled in secrecy, and it's about time that there was some transparency in the British government.
The event did not pass without connections being made about the growing anti-US anger across the globe because of the anti-Islam film and the actions of the West in dealing with Muslims.
This film of itself would be treated with contempt by the vast majority of Muslims and ignored if it were not for the fact that it's the last straw, the straw that breaks the camel's back. What's happened is that the Muslim world is burning with anger at the crimes committed by the United States and the crimes being planned and threatened by the United States. And then along comes this film, and it sets the whole place ablaze.
There was a call for peace, but as the event drew to a close, it would have been wise for representatives from the US and its allies to listen to the message from the people. Stop killing innocents in the name of politics. Amina Taylor, Press TV, Bradford.